Welcome back to Floorland. Today, we're diving into the world of wall-to-wall carpeting, your go-to solution for cozy, comfortable floors. Whether you're considering a wall-to-wall carpet for your home or just curious about its features and benefits, you're in the right place. In this comprehensive guide, we'll cover everything you need to know about wall-to-wall carpeting, from its types and features to its aesthetic appeal and the numerous benefits it offers. So, let's roll out the carpet and get started. Types of wall-to-wall carpet. First things first, let's explore the different types of wall-to-wall carpet. Plush and luxurious carpets to more practical and durable options. There's a wall-to-wall carpet to suit every taste and preference. Whether you prefer the softness of cut pile carpet, the durability of loop pile carpet, or the versatility of cut and loop pile carpet, you'll find a wide range of options to choose from. Features of wall-to-wall carpet. Now, let's delve into the features that make wall-to-wall carpeting a popular choice for homeowners and designers alike. One of the key features of wall-to-wall carpeting is its ability to provide warmth and insulation, making it ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, and other cozy spaces. Unlike hard flooring surfaces, which can feel cold and uninviting, wall-to-wall carpeting creates a soft and comfortable underfoot experience. Aesthetic appeal of wall-to-wall carpet. Oh, let's talk about the aesthetic appeal of wall-to-wall carpeting, which is one of its biggest selling points. With its vast array of colors, patterns, and textures, wall-to-wall carpeting offers endless design possibilities. Whether you're aiming for a cozy, traditional look or a sleek, modern vibe, there's a wall-to-wall carpet to suit your style. Benefits of wall-to-wall carpet. First and foremost, wall-to-wall carpeting provides comfort and warmth, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere in any room. It also helps to reduce the risk of slips and falls, making it a safe option for households with children and elderly individuals. Furthermore, wall-to-wall carpeting is relatively easy to maintain, requiring regular vacuuming and occasional professional cleaning to keep it looking its best. With proper care, a high-quality wall-to-wall carpet can last for many years, providing excellent value for money. Wall-to-wall carpeting is a versatile, comfortable, and stylish flooring option that can enhance the beauty and functionality of any space. Whether you're renovating your home or designing a new one, wall-to-wall carpeting is definitely worth considering. That's all for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on flooring and home improvement. Until next time, happy carpeting!